Hi everyone, my name is Mrs. Tallbacka and I will be your AP Psychology teacher this year. First off, thank you for signing up for the course. You made a wise decision as psychology is filled with many interesting topics that are both relatable and relevant to our daily lives. Psychology is the scientific study of human behavior and human thought processes. So we're going to be looking at, just what are the reasons why people behave the way they do. And if you want to get into any more specific topics, just go ahead and log on to the College Board website and check out that AP Psychology page, and it'll give you the course description with all the interesting topics that we'll be discussing this year. This is an elective course, but it's an advanced placement course, so that means it requires more time for studying, more time reading, and more time writing. It's important that you do have time management skills so that you can balance all of that out with your other classes as well. You will be having weekly quizzes, 1 to 2 quiz per week that are strictly vocabulary words. And then we'll be having a unit test every other week. So that's our typical schedule. And we will also be having daily classwork. Each day we're going to be taking notes, or we will be doing a reading assignment or a writing assignment. And having said that, I will tell you a little bit about the supplies that you'll need for the class. I'm going to require that you get a folder. Just a simple folder is fine with the pockets and the prongs. So go ahead and grab about 2 of these and make sure they have prongs. If they don't have prongs, the folder is not going to work. And then also paper. You need lots of paper, more than this actually, but get a bunch of paper. And if you want to even keep a notebook, you can do that. And what we'll be doing is taking our notes and we'll be eventually putting them in these prongs. And then you'll be turning your folder in for folder checks. And those folder checks are just a way to make sure that you're taking your notes, doing what you need to do so that you can be successful in class. Also, if you grab some highlighters, because we will be highlighting our vocabulary in our notes. And of course, you'll need pens and pencils. So this year, I will be using the new Canvas platform, and that is how you're going to communicate with me and how I am going to communicate with you. And I will be posting the deadlines, the assignments, and grades on Canvas. So it's really important that we have open communication and that you are using the Canvas platform. There will be more information to follow as soon as we get things finalized. But thank you for listening, and I really look forward to this school year, although it's going to be, an interesting one. I can't wait to meet you. Thank you.